Welcome! I'm so glad you're here. Today I want to talk to you about long hair as you age. There is a myth floating around that at a certain age you should cut your hair off. It's too youthful. And I don't know, this has been true for what, 70 years? Something like that? Like, it became in vogue to have shorter hair. Maybe people think it's easier to manage. I don't know. But obviously, like 100, 200 years ago, older women had long hair too. Me, I am approaching 40, and that's the age at which I have been told before that shorter hair is more appropriate, but I have no intention of changing what I'm doing. But I still thought it might be nice to show some styles that older women might be more drawn to. There's nothing wrong if you want to wear pigtails, ponytails, whatever style you want. But if you are looking for a more elegant and mature style, I have a few of them to show you today. First up, I'm going to do JJJ's Fan Bun. This is a little different from fan buns you may have seen before, and I'll do a more standard fan bun in a few minutes. But for this one, all you're going to need is a couple of claw clips. I like these nice plain ones. They are going to get covered by the hairstyle. So, start out, wrap my hair over like this, wrap it around once. If you have longer hair, maybe more than once. Then we're going to wrap this up and tuck it in to this loop. Okay, and then we're going to put in claw clips on either side here. I find that claw clips work best if you start them a little far from where you want them to be and kind of drag some hair with them and then press down. And then I'm going to spread this loop over the top of the claw clips and they will mostly disappear. Okay. So that is the JJJ Fan Bun. Nice and elegant and pretty unique. Next I'm going to do a Shin Yawn. A Shin Yawn is really any kind of bun that's low against your neck. And this is one with a hair stick that our friend Sarah told me about on one of the other videos. So I need to do a separate tutorial for this one. But for now it's going to be included in this one. I'm going to take a shorter hair stick than I normally use. This is a Lila Rose hair stick, the same ones that make the flexi. And I don't know why it's like coming out. I need to hammer it or something. I usually use much longer hair sticks for things, but this one shorter is good. Okay. Same thing. Hair over. Hair comes around. Comes part way through this loop. And ordinarily with this you would then wrap the tail. But for now we're going to put the tail up above here. Stay all, and put a hair stick through one loop underneath the bun, out the other loop. Now we're going to take this tail and actually just spread it over the top. And we're going to pin it underneath. Okay, so there you have a real classic looking Shin Yawn made in a really unusual way. Now let's go for a real classic, a French twist. There are a couple of ways that you can do this, so I'm going to try them both. First is start really low on your neck and begin twisting. Direct the twist up. So there you have that French twist shape. A lot of hair left. So then you start taking it underneath this fold and tucking it in. Tuck, tuck, tuck. Mm-hmm.
Daddy.
I don't know. Is that Daddy? Yeah.
It's somewhere up here.
Should look neater on the top there. A lot of hair to try to get into that twist. I like to put a swerve with these. This is another Lila Rose product, and another way that you can make your hair more mature and elegant is by using really lovely hair accessories. So for this, we're going to start out kind of the wrong way, backwards, slide it in a little bit, turn it around, push the rest of the way. Now this does sometimes show on the other side. I try to avoid that. Maneuver it around a little bit. So it looks so nice on this side. And then yeah, I'll try to do something to make the top a little bit neater. Maybe some bobby pins. But yeah, there you have the classic. Now, another way to do a French twist is, yeah, you got a brush there?
No.
Is to grab it as a loop and kind of twist like this. Then I'm going to tuck that loop under, and that gives us a lot less that we need to tuck into the seam here.
Where's the plug for this?
You're holding it. Please don't put it in.
Where is the plug? Oh.
See if I use these U-pins, these probably won't show. So same thing, start out the wrong way and then turn and push in. Wrong way, turn and push in. Yeah, there we go. That's nice and solid and does not poke out on the other side. Yeah, oh, I really like that one. Alright, I'm going to attempt a Gibson Tuck, but to be honest, I have a hard time with them. I think this length of hair is not fantastic for it. A little bit shorter would work better. Even a lot shorter. So I'm going to make a ponytail low. And then we're going to topsy tail it. So try to split it pretty evenly. And then flip the hair through. Now if you have shorter hair, you could actually just stop it here and have this little loop. But for me, I'm going to pull it all the way, and then I'm going to try to tuck the rest of my hair into this kind of twirl that's been created. So let's kind of fold it a little bit. Try to make it easier to do that. And we'll try to tuck it, well, I'm going to tuck it and not let it come through the ponytail either. And probably try to keep it even, tucking evenly on all the sides here. I don't know why I have a weird lump there. And now we're going to take a flexi, pull it across. Go in one of the loops, under the whole thing, out the other loop, and then pull it across here. And that's terrible, but That's the idea. This next kind is another type of fan bun. This is what you might see more commonly. So I'm going to switch out for my pro hair tie, which is a little stronger.
Mommy.
Yes. Again, low ponytail.
What is this?
But on the final twist, it's a microphone. I'm going to leave some out. And then wrap this tail around.
Why doesn't it work?
It's not plugged into anything. It's supposed to be plugged into a phone. And then you can put a hairpin through that. Or a spin pin if you like.
I want the phone to do this.
Well, it doesn't need to right now. And if you want to, you can add some decorative bobby pins. Pretty it up a little bit here. Again, not using those functionally. Whoa, ow. Not using those functionally at all, just to be cute. And the final style is to tie an actual knot in your hair. We're going to do a low knot bun. So I'll create a loop and then pull my hair all the way through. And then wrap the tail around. And there's some different ways that you could secure this, but I'm going to go with that nice elegant swerve again. So, upside down, turn around, wiggle through. And there you have it. Several styles that you can do if you want your hair to look more mature and refined. Be sure to check the link in the description box to sign up for my weekly roundup newsletter. You're going to get a few goodies like an exclusive hairstyle tutorial, a free printable, and the opportunity to purchase my ebook, Hair Oils and How to Use Them, at half price. So again, link is in the description box, and I look forward to seeing you next time.